Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss Antihero. If you want to study the notes or MCQs related to this topic, then you can click the link given in the description. So let's start. The concept of the antihero in modern literature represents a departure from traditional heroic archetypes commonly associated with protagonists in serious literary works. Instead of embodying qualities like largeness, dignity, power, and heroism, the antihero exhibits petty, ignominious, passive, ineffectual, or dishonest traits. This lecture explores the evolution and significance of the antihero in literature, focusing on its emergence in the post-World War II era. We will analyze several notable anti-heroic characters, including those found in picaresque novels, post-war literature, and dramatic tragedies. Moreover, we will explore how the anti-hero reflects the disillusionment of the time, challenging conventional notions of heroism. Historical background of the anti-hero. The concept of non-heroic protagonists can be traced back to the picaresque novel of the 16th century. Early instances of anti-heroes include Defoe's Moll Flanders, a character who is a thief and a prostitute. However, the term anti-hero gained prominence in the post-World War II period, coinciding with a time of disillusionment and societal upheaval. Post-World War II literature and rise of the anti-hero. Post-World War II literature witnessed a shift away from conventional heroism and explored the complexities of human nature. Authors like John Wayne and Kingsley Amis introduced anti-heroes in their works, such as the protagonists of Wayne's Hurry On Down and Amis's Lucky Jim. These characters challenged societal norms and struggled with existential dilemmas, making them more relatable to readers grappling with the aftermath of war. Notable instances of anti-hero in novels. Several iconic anti-heroic characters emerged in post-war literature. Joseph Heller's Jocelyn in Catch-22 exemplifies a passive and disillusioned Air Force captain navigating the absurdity of war bureaucracy. Vladimir Nabokov's Humbert in Lolita is a morally reprehensible protagonist, challenging readers' sympathies. Thomas Pynchon's Tyrone Slothrop in Gravity's Rainbow reflects the chaos and uncertainty of a world grappling with the aftermath of war and technological advancement. The anti-hero in dramatic tragedy. In dramatic tragedy, traditionally featuring protagonists of high estate, dignity, and courage, the anti-hero disrupts conventional notions of heroism. Samuel Beckett's plays, including Waiting for Godot and Endgame, feature characters like Vladimir, Estragon, and Ham, who struggle in a world devoid of certainties and values. These characters personify the human condition, grappling with existential crisis and the search for meaning. Conclusion. The anti-hero represents a significant departure from traditional heroic archetypes in modern literature. This phenomenon gained momentum after World War II as writers sought to reflect the disillusionment and uncertainties of the time. The anti-hero's popularity in post-war literature, especially in novels and dramatic tragedies, signifies a fundamental shift in literary representation. These characters challenge readers to grapple with complex moral dilemmas, making them relatable and thought-provoking. The anti-hero serves as a reflection of the human condition, inviting readers to confront their own vulnerabilities and uncertainties. Through the exploration of the anti-hero, Modern literature continues to push boundaries and challenge established norms of heroism and morality. So this is the discussion on Antihero, and if you want to read the script of this lecture or study MCQ related to this topic, you can click the link given in the description. Until the next video, see you and bye bye.